Welcome to the Deep RPG Combat Vignette. This project started as a Christmas gift. I was building a D&D combat system for my kids, but something unexpected happened along the way. The patterns that emerged from designing agents, composing them into scenes, and enforcing architectural constraints, those became more valuable than the combat itself. Here's the core insight. Deep agents emerge from constraints, not prompts. Most LLM agents hallucinate because they just predict the next token. These agents follow architectural rules that make certain kinds of errors structurally impossible. Let me show you what that looks like in practice. You're looking at the agent designer. Each template here, the Treant, the Dryads, the Kobold Dragon Shield, defines not just stats but behavior rules. Declarative priorities that tell the agent what to prefer in different situations. These templates compose into scenes, and scenes become the encounters the party faces. But what makes this work isn't the templates themselves. It's the 5 invariants that constrain how everything operates. Let me show you those in the architecture docs. Here's the architecture documentation. Scroll down and you'll see the 5 core invariants. These are the rules that make the system work. Invariant 1, time is real. When damage is dealt, it persists to disk. HP changes are permanent state mutations, not suggestions. Invariant 2, space is real. Characters have 3D positions. A creature at altitude 15 can't be hit by melee attacks from the ground. Distance matters. Invariant 3, causality is real. This is the crown jewel, the PIR cycle. Pending, interrupt, resolve. When an attack is declared, it exists in a modifiable state before it resolves. Reactions can observe and change it. Cinnamon's cutting words can reduce an attack roll before damage is applied. Invariant 4, reality protected. Players can read the world, but only the DM agent can write damage. This prevents cheating by making certain actions structurally impossible. Invariant 5, action economy is real. One action per turn, enforced by tools, not prompts. If the tool didn't run, it didn't happen. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is the architecture design document for agent autonomy. Look at this section, maintaining the 5 invariants. See the table? Time is real, unchanged. Space is real, unchanged. But causality is real, strengthened. The PIR cycle becomes structurally guaranteed by the orchestrator. And action economy, also strengthened, explicit per turn invocation. The future vision isn't about abandoning constraints. It's about making them architectural properties instead of prompting strategies. Currently, the agents have bounded autonomy. They can choose tools when invoked, but the DM controls the round loop. The plan is per turn agent invocation, where each character is queried independently. A reaction broadcast protocol where Cinnamon's agent receives the pending attack and decides whether to use cutting words, not the DM suggesting it. And preference heuristics declarative rules like use cutting words on rolls above 18 instead of hard-coded round 1, do X. The architecture could even support Google's agent-to-agent protocol, where each character becomes an independent service with its own model, memory, and tool policy, coordinated by the DM but truly autonomous. And that's the journey from a Christmas gift to a proof of concept for production agentic systems. The patterns that emerged, templates define what's possible, rules define what's preferred, invariants enforce reality. And the agents, they play by the rules. Deep agents emerge from constraints, not prompts. Thanks for watching.